Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to submit session-wise feedback in the Nan Mudhalvan portal using the student login. Step 1. Log in to the Nan Mudhalvan portal using your username and password. Step 2. After successful login, click on the Courses menu and then select Mandatory Courses. Step 3. The mandatory course assigned to you in the current semester will be displayed on the screen. Step 4. Click on the training schedule and then click the View button. Step 5. The training schedules will be listed for your course and college. Step 6. If you want to submit feedback for a trainer on a specific date, for example, the 2nd of January 2026, click on the Feedback button in that particular row. Step 7. Enter or select your feedback and click on the Submit Feedback button. Please ensure that feedback is submitted for each and every session for successful completion. For any grievance or help desk support, you can contact or submit your grievance through the grievance or help desk option available in the portal.